Edi wow.
While in the same breath saying that the outcome of the trial will depend on the presiding officer of the impeachment court to be ludicrous, impertinent, and self-contradictory, therefore reflective of the character of the entire House prosecution team. And he also said na while Kong Chua is entitled to be as confident as he wants us to be, history teaches us that anything or confidence without anything to back it up is meaningless, citing yung kay Aguinaldo and yung sa World War II. And he ended, Atty. Topacio ended with, it would be more in keeping with decorum and delicacy if the House prosecutors would just, his quote, put a sock in their mouth, so to speak, and do their jobs when the trial begins. They should take heed of the saying that a loudly gurgling stream is the most shallow. Your thoughts po?
Edi wow.
No comment po dahil hindi po as relevant dito sa press conference which is about the pre-trial conference po. Thank you.
So you're saying na hindi irrelevant si Atty. Topacio because he's the spokesperson of the PDP Laban?
You cannot force us to comment on something that, you know, that's our comment. My personal comment is edi wow.
Okay. Last na lang po, may release ang Okta Research na survey saying na only less than 2 out of 10 Filipinos or 19% said that well, 19% of respondents only believe na evidence ang magbabase doon sa impeachment trial. 45% are skeptical, 49% are skeptical or they don't know, 32% no. What's your thought about the survey?
Well, that's the reason why we will have to have the open trial so that the people would know the evidence and will be also be, will also be given the, the picture, the whole picture which they deserve to know. That's exactly why pinupush natin yung immediate trial para malaman po ng taong bayan kung ano yung nilalaman ng mga ebidensyang to.